you know?
I feel as though that's one of the things that are holding back a lot of entrepreneurs from getting into the space. They think no one would ever use a composting toilet. No one would ever use an outdoor shower. Why would somebody want that?
Yeah.
I said that at times.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, we weren't, there was times where we weren't sure about the approach.
Right.
But the compost toilet has not been a problem. We give kind of, I'll say, comedic or lighthearted instructions about how to use it. And it hasn't been a problem. I mean, nobody's said, oh, I'll never use it again, or, you know, anything like that.
And so actually I feel like for the guests that we have had so far, many of them have made mention or have actually returned already. So the people who have, you know, who are seeking out this experience, really enjoy it and seem to want to come back, but like in a different season or something, you know, they want to.
Yeah. They want to experience it at a different time of the year. That's definitely been said on numerous occasions. And so, you know, ultimately what we've settled on in terms of the amenities with the compost toilet that we went with, to hone in on that one, was really cost, simplicity of use, knowing like the short-term rental concept, right? So there's definitely things out there. And this is the one thing that the market exists for anything that you're thinking about. Like you can probably find something that will fit your condition, whether in budget for that matter, you know, so you can spend a whole lot more. I mean, we've looked at it, you know, $2,500 composting toilet versus a $500 versus a $3 bucket from Home Depot.
Yep.
Right. And it has been a big conversation, right? We have talked about this.
It's ongoing. I mean, we still do talk about it. And so the reality is there exists an opportunity for anybody to solve a problem in any price point that they have ahead of them. You know what I mean? So yeah, I mean, we settled on one that was kind of a middle of the road, but mainly out of look and convenience, because we felt like one of the things to make people feel most comfortable is something that might look like a normal toilet, as an example, right? So we went that route, is like something that it felt normal by that, so people would adjust to it a little bit easier. I don't know if it worked or not, but
seems like it has.
You know, I mean, I think, you know, that was the approach that we took with it.